Hi and welcome to my channel Travel Umbrella, which covers all aspects of travel. This video gives a tour of a swim up junior suite room in the TUI Blue Atlantica Nissaki Beach Hotel in Corfu. Also, I'll show the walk from this room, because it is a little bit remote, the walk from this room to the main hotel and the buffet restaurant. So this is room 1025 in the TUI Blue Atlantica Nissaki Beach. Just taking you in. So as we come in, it's a really quite a spacious room, lovely comfortable bed. We've got plenty of wardrobe space. Typical combination safe, mini bar which is refilled every day, drawers, hanging space that side, and similarly on this side, more hanging space. In the bedside lights there's USBs, which we didn't find at first, but yeah, they're tucked away in the side of the lights there. So I've got those both sides. TV, obviously, air conditioning, controls there. Room temperature is really nice actually. Fairly large shower. Lighting's not the best in the bathroom, so bear with me in that. Excuse my podgy reflection. Sink, obviously, and that's the toilet cubicle in there. I don't know why hotels always put telephones in the bathroom, but they do. Bit of a mystery to me, that. So yeah, plenty of space. Not even put the TV on yet. Full length mirrors, obviously, in the wardrobes. Another full length mirror there. This is a junior suite swim up room. So there's 3 along this little terrace that share one long narrow pool. As you can see, the views are absolutely stupendous. Now it's a bit murky, but in the background across the water, that's Albania, which is not too far away. So this end one, there is an advantage with it because it angles out. We've got a huge terrace area here, which is lovely. So there's the pool. That over there you can see in the background is the quiet pool, and the sort of the more lively pools down on the seafront down there. So these junior suites are separate from the main hotel, which is up there. I'll just walk along to show you a bit. But we've got sweeping views overlooking the bay, which is absolutely gorgeous. So there's the main hotel up there. Down below there's bar, swimming pool, snack bar. The main restaurant is in the main hotel up there, buffet restaurant. There's a couple of a la cartes, but we've only got ESD, so we haven't sampled those yet, but I'll endeavour to do that for you. So yeah, nice. The water temperature is, I wouldn't say it's warm, but it's just the right temperature to cool you down, because it's been really quite humid and hot out here. So yeah, on this terrace you've obviously got sunbeds, got table and chairs as well. So yeah, no complaints with this room at all. We didn't like the first room, so they swapped us today. And love this one. Yeah, great, really nice. So just as previously, 1025 swim up junior suite. Out the back here, it's a bit rustic, shall we say. But I just wanted to, as you can see, the hotel sort of cut into the side of a mountain. Unfortunately, when you come out here, the odours aren't too good, but I'll explain about that in a later video. So just to show that if you've got limited mobility, these junior suites may not be for you, because as you can see, there's a lot of stairs. It's not bad going down, but coming back in the heat, it's hard going, take it from me. So we're going to walk over to the main hotel for lunch. I'll just take you with me. These stairs can be a bit dodgy when it's wet. That was the original room we was in over there. We thought it was a bit back end of beyond, so we got moved. So that's one flight of stairs. We've got another mini flight of stairs here. And it might not look much, but when it's 33, 34 degrees, it's all these stairs are hard going, especially for a man of advanced years like myself. Right, more stairs, more stairs, and we are finally on the ground level. So down there's a swimming pool on the main floor of the hotel, and then this is the main hotel block up here. It all looks a little bit unfinished around here, unfortunately, but
shabby.
So we now have to walk back up the hill to get into the main hotel. The hotel's only got 2 lifts. That get from top to bottom. Let me say there's a bit of a building site going on here. Don't know what they're building, but not noisy particularly, but don't look too pretty. And we are now entering the main hotel block. And you have to walk through to the other side. If you have got limited mobility, the rooms on this floor are little swim up rooms, and this might be a better bet for you. Because it's near the lift and near everything really. So you walk the full length of the hotel to get to the lifts, which are by the spa. You could walk outside, I guess, and come in this entrance here, but it's hot.
Hello.
Hiya.
Can I have 2 cards, please? Tomorrow, yes.
Yes, so you wanted any balance?
Sorry?
You wanted any balance?
No, not this afternoon. No, we're going early.
Yes. Here you go.
Thank you.
So the spa is where you get your towels, or if you want to actually, you need to return 2 tickets when you check out. So that's where you swap your towels, and there's limited opening hours for that. So again, that's worth noting. So these are the lifts which are interesting, shall we say. They seem to have a bit of a mind of their own. So we're on the bottom floor of the lift. I think reception is on 4 and the restaurant on 5, from memory.
I guess we go up for a second and walk up.
I think you'll be alright today, actually.
Okay.
I think it's just dinner.
That's it, bloke pushing the buttons, isn't it? That's what they do, these lads. They get bored, start pushing the buttons.
Yeah, it's just a bit of entertainment, yeah. So we come up to top floor and this is the buffet with a view. Just grab this table. And bear in mind this is lunch, not dinner, so as you can see it's stunning views out there. Beautiful. But yeah, we'll carry on. I'll walk around the buffet and look. You're not coming in? Huh? Oh yeah, I'll have a beer actually. If they come. Hello.
Could I have a glass of white wine, please? And a beer, please?
Yeah, lovely, thank you.